How to save filter in Smartsheet. So first go to Smartsheet and then just go open up your sheet. So here, let's say we're going to filter something. So I'm just going to filter out all the things that are in progress, this ones. So let's just add a filter here. Click on add a filter. Okay, so at first you'll see something like this, right? So just click on filter, click on add a filter, and then let's just look for the ones that are in progress. Click on status and then look for in progress, and then there you go. Now we can all see the ones that are in progress. Now if you want to save this filter, you can just click on save filter here at the top and then just name your filter. So I'll just name this in progress, and then you can just click on save. Then there you go. Now let's just, to make sure it's been saved, you can just click on your sheet again. Then let's just look at our filter. As you can see, our filter is still here. So that's about it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.